is question number 4 from exercise 13.5 from the chapter probability. The question is 5 cards are drawn successively with replacement from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. What is the probability that all the 5 cards are spade, only 3 cards are spade and none of them is a spade? Okay, now to solve this question, first of all, the question is quite clear. We are selecting 5 cards successively with replacement. So we are making 5 trial of selection of a card, and as in context to this question, we can consider that selection of a spade or the outcome of the spade in each trial can be considered as a success. Okay, so first statement which we have to make here is this, that the selection of card with replacement from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards are Bernoulli's trial. Okay, because if selecting a spade is a success, then selecting a non-spade card would be a failure. So each trial can be divided into success and failure. Okay, further, if X denotes the number of spades in the selection of 5 trials, then probability of success in single trial would be equal to probability of drawing a spade would be equal to 13 upon 52, which is equal to 1 by 4, which is equal to P. So we can write here that number of trials are 5 and the probability of failure would be equal to 3 by 4. So this random variable X will have the binomial distribution given by this expression, where n is equal to where n is equal to 5 and X can take the value from 1 to 5, and P is equal to 1 by 4 and Q is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, so probability that all 5s are spade would be equal to the probability of 5 successes. So this would be equal to probability of X is equal to 5, and in this expression what we have to do, we have to place X is equal to 5 and the values of N, Q and P. So this would be equal to 5C5, 3 by 4 to the power of 5 minus 5 and 1 by 4 to the power of 5, and this would be equal to 1 into 1 by 4 to the power of 5, because 3 by 4 to the power of 5 minus 5 would be equal to 3 by 4 to the power of 0, and this would be equal to 1, and so this would be equal to 1 upon 1024, which is the required answer for the first part. In the second part, we have to find the probability that only 3 are spades. So this would be equal to the probability that only 3 are spades would be equal to probability of X is equal to 3, that is 3 successes, and this would be equal to 5C3 into 3 by 4 to the power of 5 minus 3 into 1 by 4 to the power of 3, and 5C3 is equal to 10. 3 by 4 to the power of 5 by 3 would be equal to 3 square upon 4 square, that is equal to 9 upon 16 into 1 upon 4 cube, that is 64, and on simplification this would be equal to 45 upon 512. Okay, so this is the required answer for the second part. In the third part, we have to find the probability that none of them is a spade. Okay, none is a spade. So probability of none is the spade is the probability of 0 success, and this would be equal to 5C0 into 3 by 4 to the power of 5 minus 0 into 1 by 4 to the power of 0. And this would be equal to, because 5C0 is 1, this would be equal to 1. So this would be equal to 3 to the power of 5 upon 4 to the power of 5, or 343 upon 1024, which is the required answer for the third part. So that's how we are going to solve this question.
Friends, thanks for watching my video. To watch more of these super videos and for the latest updates, subscribe and like the videos on these channels on YouTube, HSK Shiksha and Math Help by HSK. Thank you.